are back today, but we are not in the Green Hornet. We are in the Rebel, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. Got a pretty packed day here. Lots of things going on. The Green Hornet is currently out on a rental. That is what's going on with that. So we're driving in the Rebel, going to meet up with Ryan right now. We're actually going to pick up the Green Hornet from its rental. Its rental has just ended, well, will end in a 30 or 45 minutes. So I'm gonna park the truck at the HEB parking lot. Then we are going to get in the truck with Ryan and his Rebel. He'll drive me to the airport. I will pick up the car. So we got lots of cool stuff going on. See you guys when we get there. We are at the parking lot. Now we'll just wait on Ryan. Gonna be kind of a little late, hectic pickup here. It was supposed to end at 6:30, and then the guy was like, oh, well, I can be at the airport at 2 if you want to get it, and it was 1:30, and I'm 30 minutes away from the airport, and I'm like, all right, sure, let's do it. This way we can beat traffic and I don't have to worry about picking it up at 6. That's a lot better. Just waiting for the ride so we can go pick up the Green Hornet again. It's always sad when she's not with me, but it's okay because she's out making money, and we'll put up with it. He's gonna park sideways across all those spots. He's just too cool for school, guys. Too cool for school. Oh, there's Ryan. I see Ryan. Here he comes. All right, let's get our stuff together. The GoPro gimbal that just seems to never want to work. That's always lovely. Such a love-hate relationship with GoPro. There's the dude. Oh, Rebel party. Rebel party. Yeah, let's do this. He's got the Mojave sand, I think they call it. Pretty sick color. There she is. All right, so turning this Rebel off, grab our stuff, and get into the other Rebel. Sweet. Rebel, 1 Rebel, 2 Rebels.
Wait, I was just gonna hop in with you. Mine's pretty dirty.
You want to do? Okay, yeah, that works. Okay. Well, never mind. We're staying in this Rebel. It's just so confusing. We have too many Rebels. We don't know which one to take. His is a lot cleaner than mine, though. Look how clean that one is. And look how dirty this one is. This is what happens in Texas if you don't clean any of your vehicles during spring. They just get covered in pollen. And then it rains, and then it smears the pollen, and you have more pollen, and it just gets worse. Your Rebel's looking a lot more prime than mine is right now. You can't see all the shit on the sides. Yeah, it is. It's good for pollen.
Good for pollen.
Yeah, this thing is not so much good for pollen. Look at my hood, though. The fucking whole damn thing's covered.
Should we do a little wash party back at the Casa?
I'm gonna take it to Arbor.
Alright.
I need a hand wax and all. I need a good interior detail and all that stuff. Sweet. Well, let's go pick up the Hornet. Rebel back on. Rebel. First videos in the Rebel, pretty much.
This is the dirty Rebel Club?
Yeah, pretty much. Hey, if your off-road truck is always clean, then it's not an off-road truck.
A few moments later.
I see the Hornet. She's alive. She is alive. Yeah, buddy. Ah, this guy took my spot. Oh, well, it's okay. We'll park right here, and we're good to go.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. How's it going, man?
Yeah. Yeah, thanks, man.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, man.
Oh, God. I love that. Things are beast.
Yeah, dude. We are back in the Hornet, guys. That is right. We are back in the Hornet. Money made. Happy customer, as always. Good to see. Driving through the airport right now. Got some flight attendants going in front of us, it looks like. People going in front, things going on. We had some people trying to walk in front of us there, so we're all good. But yeah, another successful Turo rental, another happy customer. Everything's great. Driving out of the airport now. Gonna go meet up with Ryan again and get the car cleaned up. Got some things to do, and that's that, guys. Ryan's in front of us up there if you see him in the Rebel. Yeah, real quick funny story. So I pull up to pick up the car. The guy's just big smile on his face, and he's like, man, this thing is such a beast. I was out here, pulled up on a Honda Civic and destroyed him. And that guy was like, what? He said, look on his face is crazy. There goes Ryan in the Rebel. Woo! Man, I'm pretty sure the dash cam caught that, but yeah, hopefully if it does, man, I'll put that in the video. You guys need to see that. There's just crazy big ass pieces of plastic were just blowing down the highway and blinding drivers. It's pretty insane. Oh my god, look at this person's car. Dude, like, I'm not kidding, look at this shit. This person is like covered in shit. What is going on the highway? He got nailed with that plastic, but there was like tons of that stuff going down the road. Oh shit. Yo. Get down. It's a big ass fucking thing, dude. That wasn't fucking good, dude. There's just fucking big ass thing. Oh my god, dude. What the fuck, man? Holy shit. Dog. Oh my god, look at this person's car. Dude, like, I'm not kidding. Look at this shit. Behind the Rebel. It's cool. We got both of the Hemis going down the road together. Look at our beautiful city out here. Even if it is filled with slow drivers and terrible traffic, you know, it is what it is. Heard something pretty sad on the radio. Apparently Ozzy Osbourne has given up driving after he just had a wreck, so that's pretty sad. Sad day when a man can no longer enjoy the thrill of driving. Oh, look at him back there. Look at him back there hiding. Look at him hiding back there. It feels so good to be back behind the wheel. The Hornet, that's for sure. We did it. Rental pickup accomplished. Gotta get some cleanup going on the Rebel and some cleanup going on the Hornet. Looks like it was parked under a tree somewhere. We got bird shit on it. Look at that. Look at that bird shit. Look at that. We gotta fix that. That's not good. Time to go to the car wash. No worries. Got the waterless car wash right here coming to the rescue. Check out the video on this stuff too. I'll put it in the description. This stuff is badass. Little spray. Get it up here. Man, it's like some bird just like exploded all over it. Got some tree sap. We got to get all this shit off of here real quick. Damn, this one's fucking on there. Like every bird over at the racetrack decided to shit on it. I'll just do the roof and then I'll be good for now. Get the worst of it off. There's the Rebel. The other Rebel is alive. Back it up next to the Rebel. Oh, I lost my glasses. Oh no. It's fucking bright. That tint's so good in here, I don't need them when I drive, but when you step out, you can't see shit. There they are. Together. Should have brought the other Rebel and gotten all three of them. Could have put that Rebel over there. We should have stopped here on the way, dude. I didn't even think about that. That's two limited edition colors right there too. Color in those lights, man, that made all the difference, dude. That shit used to be ugly ass orange, and that shit was ugly ass red. The Hornet is back in my possession. What do the people in YouTube land think? Should we supercharge the Rebel, a Rebel, both Rebels, any Rebels?
What would Dale do?
What would Dale do? Decided to stop off over here and get some Juice Land before he heads back to his house, and I'm gonna go back to edit some videos. Juice Land was a major success, and I was just gonna head back, but I think we're gonna head over to Ryan's and see if we can maybe get in some trouble over there with the Hornet, huh? It looks so good parked over here. Yep.
Oh yeah, no, the line is the best.
Yep, we're back, and I'm about to do the checkout on the Turo Rental. So I'll upload some photos, like that thing. You know, and you just fill the spot and take the picture. And obviously, if there's like damage, you take a picture of it, you know. Get the driver's side going. Get the side. Now it wants you to get the odometer. So you got the odometer and the fuel level picture. It'll ask you to capture anything else that you may want to document. I don't have anything else I want to document, so that's it. We'll click done. Oh. The Santa Cruz, one of the Santa Cruzes. Records your mileage and fuel level. And there we go. Now we wait for him to do his checkout process. And then you're good. That's that. Turo rental complete. I'll get paid soon. The Rebel, Santa Cruz. We got the Hornet. We even got a Toyota over here, you know. Just because. Why not? Yeah, we're currently on a house hunt. That's what's happening. We got to find a home for the Hornet and the Rebel and the Harley and all the other stuff. The Santa Cruz and what else? We got all kinds of vehicles that we need a home for. Uh-oh. Almost running into the Camaro. Oh, what's that? Dirt bikes?
Damn, dirty bikes.
Dirty bikes. This right here is the bike that I learned how to ride on. The first motorcycle I ever rode. Way back in the day. It's kind of cool that it's still in possession of us. A lot of special memories with that one. Up in Arkansas, learning how to ride, crashing in the dirt. Heading out of Ryan's now. Over here looking at some houses on the real estate listings. Ryan's a real estate agent, so yeah, he's helping me find the new place. So I just waited for traffic to die over at Ryan's. Traffic's always terrible getting back. Finished the checkout on the Turo app. I'm just driving back and gonna take it easy the rest of the day. Maybe edit some videos and stuff like that and clean the car up. We'll take the Rebel out again and get it cleaned up as well. Man, it's bright. That's it for this one. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Check out more videos. We got more coming. Races, drag races, burnouts. We're gonna do a lot of cool stuff. Be dropping some videos, so I'll put links in the description when they are out. Stay tuned, be looking for more on the Green Hornet YouTube channel. See you next time. That's it for this one.